Oh yeah, right. Welcome back on this channel. So today I welcome you all. In today's video I'm gonna show you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are online. So this app is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome you all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And in case you are new on this channel, we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add the extra layer of security when you are online. So the app we're gonna share with you, it's already on Google Play Store. Head over to your Google Play Store and you search for IR Proxy. This is the app IR Proxy VPN. And among the presented, you pick this one. Take note of the app name, take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection, add the extra layer of security when you are online. So for the app to work, you must set it up. So to set up the app, open it, and when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen. And when you reach on the app home screen, you are required to set it up. First of all, you tap on the 4 buttons in the upper left corner. Then from here, you check for updates. You click check updates. And when you click check updates, the app will start to check for your available updates, and it will update to the latest version in order to provide you with the best service when you are connecting to the internet. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So you tap where you see auto server, then from here you are required to pick from any of the presented servers. So I recommend you to pick auto server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. And the other setting is you are required to pick a connection method. And for today's guide, we are gonna show you the UDP settings. So I recommend you to pick all countries UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP, and if your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. And if your country doesn't support UDP, tap here, and then in the search bar you search for your country name. So you search for your country name, and after that, so for today's purpose, we are sharing the UDP settings. So after that, and lastly, to initiate a super fast and a secure connection, you are required to tap on this connect button. And when you tap on this connect button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and within a few seconds this app will be connected. And as you can see right now, the app is right now connected, and that's how we set up IR Proxy VPN with all countries UDP settings to secure our online connection, add the extra layer of security when we are browsing online. And please like this video, share this video to your friend, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet again.